my sports bra you seen through the shirt, but it's okay. It looks like a top, right? It's really not. Wagwan goodie, it is your girl City Static, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the goodie gang. So I'm about to hop right into this video because I am on a time crunch. I am making special brownies for my friend's birthday. So my friend in particular is Carissa. If you are OG on this channel, you have seen her in my videos, and we also did a video together. Mad funny. I'll link it so you can check it out. Her birthday was on Monday, which was the 28th. Almost forgot, but I'm here. She's having a game night tonight. So I thought my contribution would be special brownies because I still have a whole bunch of cannaoil that I am not using, so I might as well make use of it. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe. Like, I'm so serious. It's free 99 and nothing but good vibes. And also, a large percentage of people who view my videos are not subscribed. But just like, stop being weird and just subscribe. Like, it's not gonna hurt you. Just subscribe. Thank you. Y'all see the drip? I'll put the link down below. Powered by Melanin is where I got my gold rings from and my beautiful necklace. So if you're interested in this product, I'll link it down below. Make sure you use the code STATIC20 for 20% off. Yes, I'm on my affiliate business. Click the link. Yes. Alright, so let's get into the video. First thing you know I gotta do is smoke. I've been smoking this split from this morning. This is Tangy by Ape. I'm not talking about Vape, I'm talking about Ape, the cannabis company. Hold on. Yeah. This Tangy, different. And you know, people always be like, oh, Tangy not even all that. Every time I'm talking about Tangy, everyone says that. But I'm like, did you smoke this shit? Without this Tangy, I don't think y'all would have got an upload last week. This Tangy had me so focused and so creative, and just so my willpower was like, finish this video. So hopefully it'll give me enough willpower to finish these brownies because I have to go very, very soon. So the first thing I'm gonna do is preheat the oven to 350, sorry, 350. I'm preheating at 350. And now we're gonna get into making the special brownie batter. So I'm gonna clean dishes. I got my bowl, got my oat milk, and got eggs. And I'm gonna move this because I don't need this yet, but I have a pan. I'm gonna put that here, right? And I have a whisk. Boom. We set up nice. Hold on. Yeah, we set up well nice. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my measuring cups because for this recipe I'm going to need 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, which is gonna be the infused coconut oil I'm using. I'm gonna need 3 tablespoons of water. I am? Okay. I thought I could use milk. I'm confusion. It's gonna be such bad lighting because my window is right there, like. But you know what? I'm grateful for this space that I'm in. I love my apartment. I'm glad to have one. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands first. I don't know, I'm a little smacked. This Tangy already hit me. You hear me? I'm like, alright, so boom. Let me see if I can turn up the light a little bit more. Yeah, that light looks better. Okay, so boom. This is the brownie batter. In there. It smells like Cocoa Puffs or Cocoa Pebbles. It smells good. How many tablespoons of water? Where is my tablespoon? I was using my tablespoon for coffee because I don't have a proper coffee scoop. So I do not know where my tablespoon is. So I'm just gonna have to do, because 2 teaspoons equal a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna have to do 6 of water. Cause I ain't got the time to be looking right now. So you're gonna do 2 and that'll be 1. So, oh shit. 1, 2, oh no, that's 1. Oh shit, 2. Please don't come out too bad, please. Okay, this is 3. I'm about to just put Okay, just to be on the safe side, because that was a lot of water. I don't think that was 3 tablespoons. I probably was like 4. Right? Oh wait, I could have used the, I'm so stupid. But hey, I got more milk for myself. I could have used the milk instead of the water, but that's fine. And then I got 2 raw eggs. Are these large? They're gonna have to be today. And then the star of the show. 2/3 of cannaoil. I think I have enough for 2/3, right? If not, I'm just gonna have to use regular oil. Okay, I think I have enough. 1. Oh, wow. 2/3 is 1 cup? No, 2/3 is half a cup. I don't got time for quick maths right now. I don't got time. My brain, I'm telling you, this hand G got me like, woo. But okay, now everything is together. Can you see? Look, it's inside. You can't see it. It's inside. So now I'm gonna mix it until, 50 strokes. That was 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, maybe this whisk is not a good whisk to use. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Y'all, if y'all can see, I'm really whisking with 2 whisks. What in the madness is this? Maybe if I use this. Yes, I mean, that's way smarter. Okay, keep that in there because that's the one you're using. But we gotta take this whisk out because it ain't it. My Dollar Tree whisk ain't it today. Yeah, this is my Old Faithful though. Don't ever sleep on Dollar Tree. Like I'm telling you, if y'all ever get your first apartment, make sure y'all check out my first apartment vlog. If you ever like moving out on your own for the first time, going to college or anything, do not sleep on Dollar Tree products. Down to the toilet paper, bro. Okay, I don't know how many whisks I need to do, but this brownie batter is not giving what it's supposed to give. Like this is giving real dough. So I'm gonna add the milk because this is not giving what it's supposed to give. It's not. It's not. It's really not. It's not. Brownie batter supposed to look like this? Okay. 2 eggs. Ooh, I didn't put 2 large eggs. So maybe I should put another egg in. I'm getting that vibe. Maybe 1 more egg will help. No, actually take that out. Put that right there. Hold on. Oh! Alright, the oven is ready for the brownies. So I told me to put another egg in. Listen, as long as it gets you high and tastes good, I think that's just the motive right now. I have to finish up. Yeah, that extra egg is, yeah, needed that. Oh yeah, definitely need another egg. This is, look at it. You see that? Okay, this is a Dollar Tree bowl too, so let me be careful. But like, this is more like the brownie batter that I know. All right, this seems pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to grease the pan, but I'm going to grease it with cannabutter, the same cannabutter that I made. Okay. So what I was thinking is that I should just put it in here. Yeah, I should just do that. My other idea was to put parchment paper at the bottom so I could just lift it out. Maybe I should do that too. But should I just, no, I should just use this pan. Okay, I'm gonna do that, but I have to wash this one first. Now, have my goody cannabutter here. I better be in focus. I am. This is my goody cannabutter, so I'm just gonna Take some with a tissue out the jar and rub down the pan with. And I'm gonna do it lightly because I don't want to put too much cannabutter in. Good amount on a napkin and just spread it. Well oil up, well line up, well oil up. Maybe you should have. I'm being too wicked. I'm gonna get somebody extremely high. But that's always my motive. Better watch me now. What the hell was that?
One hour later.
Okay. A hot body.
Brownies definitely did hit, and also them shots that I took, and my social battery is running. But enjoy a little few seconds of me playing one of the games. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you're notified when the video is ready for you to watch. If you watch to the end, comment this emoji. And here is a shout out from last week's video from those who comment. If you want to shout out like them, all you gotta do is comment under this video. And I see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned because you gotta come back with more soon. Bye.